Yet again, here is the amazing, awesome faux shizzle sign. Yes, I said faux shizzle. I got the tune my guitar. Yes, come in.
Hey kids, what's up?
The ceiling.
Cool, what's down?
The ground.
What's right there?
Camera.
What's that?
And then you wash and exit.
Cool, sit!
Ah,
Sweet!
God. God.
Say just a sing and dance. La 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 la
Whoa. I squeaked, didn't I?
Yeah. Sit.
Ow! You hit me! You're right! Crap. Crap.
She's really levitating, folks. Believe me, she is. She's like so magical. See, look, she's levitating.
Too high levitation.
You're like.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
How are you? Pretty good. I keep flying to the ground sometimes, though. How? I don't know.
I just sit.
Oh. Insert bad words here.
I love that thing. Oh my god,
What?
I don't think I can see it. So come back to the camera. Oh, hi, camera. Oh yeah, it's camera.
I'm gonna kill you.
No death threats.
Sorry, but I have to.
Sit. I have one.
Ah. I think I'm gonna hurt myself.
If you people are still watching these videos, you seriously need help.
Make sure you do what our sign said.
Yeah, get therapy. Get some therapy after you see this, otherwise you'll turn away from it.
Or you can get some therapy with Sunset. Just kidding.
No, dude, go get Subway. Do what that does. No, go to the International House of Pancakes, the best health club in the world.
No. Go to your gym teacher's house.
And eat and watch them eat nothing but bonbons all day.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
Yeah, I'm like one step.
Now watch it dance around idiotically. God.
What now? Sit. Okay. Before things get violent, I'm gonna shut you off and let you. No, let's just watch it as well. Wait, Mom, it's not allowed on YouTube. Never mind.